let's learn how you can remove Instagram search suggestions while typing. So let us open our Instagram application. Now you want to click on search, and the only way to do this is to block people or person that is appearing to you while you are typing. So for example, if I type Steve and click on this profile, for example, the only way you can prevent this profile to pop up while typing on search, you need to block him. So I'm sure everyone knows how to block people. You want to go to their profile, click on three dots, and this menu will pop up. You want to click on block and click on block again. Now this profile has been blocked and it won't appear while you are typing on search. So there is no other way right now, but this is still working. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.